Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to show you how to register your account on P2B B2B Exchange. Actually, it's quite fast and simple action. Let's go through it together. Firstly, press the register button right here. Here you can enter your email address. It's better to create a secure password and type it into this field. Also, please confirm the password below. If someone invites you through the referral ID, insert it here. You can choose between two options, whether you are a citizen or not. Click on the checkbox with terms and policies. It's important to be familiar with the rules of financial companies, so take your time to look through it. Press the sign up button and complete the captcha with a puzzle. Well, you're almost done. Go to your email service and confirm the email address via the link in the confirmation letter from the exchange. That's all. Now you're ready to start your crypto journey. Check the other video tutorials. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask our support team. Have a nice day. Bye bye.